So do know that most people fail this equation. I want to take you step by step on how to solve it. So let us now start with our solution. So on looking at the solution, we have P plus 2Q is equals to 8. So let this one form our equation 1. Then the second one is 3P plus 2Q is equals to 18. So let this one form our equation 2. So how do we solve this one? So we shall now work on elimination method. So that means that we shall now have to eliminate 2Q or 2Q, or we can as well eliminate P and P. But this time around, let's now eliminate the Q's. So meaning that these two, we shall multiply by the first equation. Then also this other two, we shall multiply by the second equation. So when we do that, we shall now have to remain with, so these two multiplied by P, we shall now have it as 2P, then 2P plus, then 2 multiplied by 2Q, so we shall now have it as 4Q, then 4Q is equals to 8 multiplied by 2, that one now shall be 16. Then now shall now move to the second equation, that is now 2 multiplied by 3P, that now shall be 6P, then plus 2 multiplied by 2Q, that one now shall be 4Q, then is equals to 2 multiplied by 18, that one now shall be 36. Then now we shall now have to underline it. So we shall now carry out subtraction. So that we shall now remain with 0. That is 4Q by 4Q, which shall automatically be 0. So when you carry out the subtraction, that is now 2 minus 6. So we shall now remain with minus 4P. Then here all of this shall be 0. So is equals to, so 16 minus 36 still. So we shall now have it as minus 20. So that now means that now shall now have it as minus 4P is equals to minus 20. So for us now to remain with P, so let's now divide both sides by minus 4, then also this one by minus 4. So that now we shall now have 4 minus 4, cancel minus 4. So that now the value for P is equals to, so negative 4 goes here once, then negative 4 goes into minus 20, positive 5. So P is equals to 5. So since we find the value for P, we can now pick any of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2, so that now we can substitute to get the value for Q. So let's now pick the equation 1. That is P plus 2Q is equals to 8. So P plus 2Q is equals to 8. So where there is P, we shall now replace it by 5. So that means that now we shall now have it as 5 plus 2Q is equals to 8. So from here now we shall now have it as 2Q is equals to, so we carry out the unknown, that is 5 to this other side. So that one shall now have 8. So since this one is positive 5, when it crosses the cosine, it shall be minus 5. So now minus 5. So that is now 2Q is equals to 8 minus 3, or 8 minus 5, that is 3. So divide both sides by 2, so that now we can find the value for Q. So that now 2 by 2 shall cancel. So now the value for Q is equals to 3 over 2, or we can say 1 whole and 1 over 2. So that is also the answer for Q, that is 1.5.